How to write inline code in WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to write inline code message in WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your device. You will land on the chat section. Select the conversation where you want to send an inline code message. Tap on the message box at the bottom. To write inline code in WhatsApp, follow these steps. Start by typing a backtick symbol. Then type in your message. At the end of your message, type another backtick symbol. As you can see, the message is now displayed as inline code. Inline code in WhatsApp is useful for highlighting specific information within a sentence. In summary, enclose your message with two backticks, one at the beginning and one at the end to write inline code in WhatsApp. Finally, tap the send button and boom! You have successfully learned how to write inline code message in WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.